So yun, what up sa inyo guys? Bagong series to sa channel ko. Bagong diaries tayo, no? Live, ano ko, basta bago tong title natin. Anyways, nandito kami sa Chinatown. Itong bago nating style ng vlog, mas cinematic, mas maganda, mas cinematic siya, mas ano siya, high quality. Pero anyways guys, nandito kami sa Chinatown. Dahil maulan ng panahon, kakain tayo ng ramen. Pero yun guys, sana magustuhan nyo yung vlog natin. Mas maganda na siya, mas cinematic. Pero yun, kain tayo ng ramen. Ramen!
I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, this bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. I'm tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah, I'm writing all these hits.
So yun guys, nakauwi na nga pala kami. Magla-livestream muna ako. Dota tayo, let's go!
2, 1 game, let's go! Lock in Zeus.
This one's for all the marbles. If marbles were at all valuable.
Patay ka diha! Patay siya diha. Pagtay siya diha. Easy!
I'm under attack. Position of power.
Killing sprees is one of the things for the bad cop. Dominate!
Easy!
Hey, the enemy's top tower's gone. You done good. Double kill.
Easy!
Killing spree. Enemy's middle tower has turned into a
Yay! Easy!
Alright, but anyways guys, maraming salamat nga pala sa panonood ng vlog na to. Mag-upload pa ako ng marami. Uploading time ko lagi is gabi sa Pilipinas. So between 7 to 10, yun ang uploading time natin sa Pilipinas. Pero anyways, maraming salamat nga pala sa panonood. At yun, nakita nyo, nag-livestream ako. Nagla-livestream nga pala ako sa Facebook, sa Pogiboy Mix. So upload ko rin tong vlog na to doon. Pero ito na yung official na like vlog natin na grind mode. Talagang magpa-vlog tayo lagi ng grind mode. So ito na yung first official vlog natin na talagang lock in tayo, no? Pero anyways, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. At yun, comment nyo sa down below ano pa mong mare-request nyo or anong gusto nyo or hindi nyo gusto sa vlog ko. Pero yun, subscribe kayo. Bye-bye!
But I keep it blowing. Got these blue faces on my plate, I can't get all, yeah. Got no sweater going with the ones, don't let some on, yeah. Had to hit her all